Grateful Gang, we are looking at the summer clearance sale at Coach Outlet. This bag is still on sale for under $250, y'all. One of the best Coach Empire bags ever made is on sale. I tagged it for you. Make sure you check it out. Guys, welcome back. I just want to let you know, Grateful Gang, that the sound is a little bit loud in the store. So unfortunately, there's not much that I can do at some points in my store venture. I do apologize early. But again, I just wanted to show you the Coach Empire 34s. A lot of you guys missed out on the 40, which was only $450 instead of $750. Instead of this one being $495, it is now $250. Make sure you snatch it up. Hey y'all, from clearance we got some last chance here. Coachtopia. Initially $250. Look at the sizes though. Oh my gosh, it's almost like the Brooklyn. Now y'all know I normally say I don't like Coachtopia, but I'm feeling this. I'm sorry y'all, it's so dark in here. I'm feeling how large this is. Let me show you. Y'all see that? That's cutesy. I love the size of that. Super, super cute. But I literally came in to check the clearance. And I'm going to tell you how much they happen to be. Grateful Gang, just for a heads up, I want to let you know that the price of the Alter Ego large crescent bag is going to be $225 versus the $450 that it was previously. And the Alter Ego small, I'm saying Ego, the small crescent shoulder bag is $150 and it used to be $250. So you're saving a little bit here with these bags. I have never seen them at the outlet before. I am tagging them in the shopping bag on the screen, so don't you ever worry about that. I got you, okay? But yes, these bags are exclusive to the outlet as of right now. They are normally Coachtopia bags, just so that you're aware. In a minute. I don't know if I'll be able to find it though. Let's see. Is it $150 for the small one? And then $225 for the large one. I will definitely like tag it for you. Hopefully y'all check the link though, just to make sure on the price, because I'm not really for sure. But they still have these. Y'all, another bag that's at a shockingly alarming price. $78 for this bag. Originally, it was $195. This is the Nolita 19 with deer print. Love this bag. It's only two left, y'all. I will definitely tag this one as well. $78 is a steal. That is 60% off. Unbelievable savings on this bag. I adore this bag. It is a bit small for me. Keep in mind, on the Nolita, you can adjust the strap and carry it as a crossbody bag as well. And yeah, this one is really a good deal. I thought it was gonna be $95. It's $78. Unbelievable. Yeah, they do not have a lot for on sale here at this one, but y'all know the summer sale is still going on, and they have a lot of items, but just a couple of Nolitas and then the Coachtopia. Now this one I love too. This backpack, oh, it's so buttery soft too, but to me nothing tops my Croc backpack, so this one is $198. Oh, it's heavy though. You know what? The pillow's probably in there. Let me see. Yeah, that pillow's in there. They got a little something, but y'all remember, there's other bags that are still available. Other bags that are still available. I do like this one too. This is like a carry-on overnight bag. I do not know how much this one is though. Let me see. It's a lot of space in there though. Let me see how much this one is. This one is $279.20. And like I said, if I see any of these online, I got you. Double zip on this one. Dope, right? That's all they got, y'all. I'm at the one in Tampa, or Lutz. And unfortunately, yes, thank you. Unfortunately, that is it. Now they've got this fade for 30% off. Super, super cute. It's not the larger one, though, it's the smaller one. All of these straw bags, basically. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling about that. And a Nolita and a Terry, basically. And then what is this, the Carmen? No, this is the Emily. It's also still available. Yeah, the music is kind of loud, so you know what that means. You know my music has to be loud, so just to drown it out just a tad bit. I do apologize, but y'all be alright. Y'all don't gotta hear my silliness anyway. I did speak on this one earlier, but I did want to make sure I also made sure you were aware that the black one is on sale too. Not the loved one, but the black one. Y'all, these straw totes, not totes, this Kiss Lock is also on sale. They're under $250. This suede one is also on sale, and it is tagged in the shopping bag. Y'all, unfortunately, this rainbow color one is gone. The black one's still available, but it is at regular price. This rainbow one, it also went on sale, and y'all snatched it up as soon as it went on sale. Do not miss out on the suede one, because I feel like that one's about to be next to go. I'm shocked that the chocolate is still available, but this one is gone. This one I think is also... These two are probably going to be gone soon. This brown one, both of these brown ones, suede, and the straw one. This beaded bag is also still left for under $500, and so is this tabby. But that tabby, I believe the studded one is actually at Dillard's. This stone Brooklyn is also on sale. Those two Lanas gone, but this stone, I think it's dark stone is what they're calling it. That Brooklyn is still available. I believe it's over half price off, but yes, it is still available. And this brown straw Brooklyn is also still available. The other ones I do believe are gone. Guys, there is Kiss Lock bags as well. I don't know if you are aware of the Kiss Lock barrel bags. The pink one and the tan one, they're both suede. They are still available, and they are under like $250. Amazing price for those bags. I believe they're under $250. I don't want to quote it because I don't actually remember, but definitely check the actual QR code if you're looking at your TV on your phone. Hit the link on the screen or in the description, guys. I hope this helps. I thank you so much for shopping the summer clearance at Coach. Guys, I will be back for the new drop that's coming out on the 5th. All right, guys. Bye.